Yes sir, I'm back just like I promised and went through great lengths to make sure these suckers were secured. I personally went over to my local FedEx hub but was caught by the feds at the front gate because apparently we're supposed to avoid being outside or large social gatherings or whatever. This was me when they caught me, but I did it. FedEx dude finally dropped off my bands. I told him he was Santa Claus during this huge pandemic and I think he got offended. He was an older looking chubby dude with a white beard, but that's besides the point. I know what you guys came here for. This is part 2 of the spring release of Apple official watch bands. If you haven't watched part 1, you need to, as the Nike Sport, the Nike Loop, and leather bands were delivered early and featured in that video. So if you're interested in those and how those look on the wrist and in direct sunlight, click the card to the top right or click the link in the description. To be honest, if YouTube does me a solid, it might pop up on your browse feature page after viewing this one. But enough is enough. We're gonna get right to it. Stay tuned until the end of the video, by the way, to see how you can win one of these brand new bands completely free from TheJuan&Only. But let's get the show started. A lot of these new bands are bangers, trust me. Apple did a really good job with these sport bands and sport loops, and I can already guess which one you want to see first. You already know it's Surf Blue. If this is your favorite band of the new bunch, you know what you have to do. You have to drop that like. It's just the way we do it here on this channel. Yo, so listen, you guys remember Delft Blue from like 2 or 3 seasons ago? Yeah, well this blue is like that, only 10 times cooler, and I can't even really pinpoint why. The color is just so frenetic and energetic. It really reminds me of the OG blue that debuted alongside the original Apple Watch way back in the day. Surf Blue is now hands down my new favorite color within the sport band lineup. It's clean, it's energetic, it's refreshing. Like, doesn't it make you just want to head over to a beach on a surfboard? By the way, it has a silver aluminum pin, which actually all the 3 new sport bands have aluminum pins. But best yet, the band still holds most of its bright color even in low lit conditions. It actually kind of glows in the dark, if that makes any sense. A lot of the darker blue sport bands end up looking way darker, almost black in low light environments, but not this one. A 10 out of 10 in my opinion. Up next, we move over to Cactus. The name itself is a true testament to the color of the band. Apple for some reason never gets green right, but this time I think they did a phenomenal job. Cactus is a perfect mid-tone of green that is very easy on the eyes. Not bright like beryl, but not dark like pine green. The Cactus band is just so pleasing, but do be advised, in darker scenarios, the band may have a slightly, and I mean very slightly bluish tint to it. It's like 2%, but for the most part, it looks great. A hard 9.5 out of 10 for this one. And lastly, we have Grapefruit. Grapefruit is a terrific spring color and really showcases those bright and happy colors we typically associate with spring. The way I see the new Grapefruit band is like this. Imagine the pink sand band that has been sold for several seasons now, but turn the vibrancy and saturation up times 10. I love how vivid it is and surprisingly to my eyes, and of course these colors are all subjective, so this is a judgment-free zone since the super dark stainless steel casing plays off and contrasts heavily against a super vibrant pink, but goes well with just about any casing, especially if you have the rose gold aluminum casings. A great band for sure, and one that's perfect for when we see brighter and warmer days ahead. Also, before I move on, some of you guys have expressed interest in having me make videos comparing new releases to previous seasonal releases. To be exact, I think you guys want to see how these new colors match against older similar colors. If you'd like to see that brand new series, let me know because I know it's super helpful to some of you guys to directly compare them on video. But anyway, we move on to the last style which had new refreshed colors, that being the Sport Loop line, and we have a total of 5 new colors and I absolutely love each of them. 1. The dual tone color design, where Apple primarily takes 2 colors that either complement or contrast against each other and piece them together into these amazing bands. And 2, because they are less noisy. As in, the specks of interweaving fabric is a big turnoff for some of my fellow bandaholics. I love both styles and I'm excited to rock all these new bands at the gym. We'll start with the one with the best name of any color band of all time. You already know it's Vitamin C, and with everything going on right now, it's super important we all up our intake of vitamin C, so maybe this band will remind us to do so. That wasn't a joke. I'm serious. You guys need to be careful out there. The global situation we have at hand is getting really, really bad. So remember to practice social distancing. It's times like these where we all really just need to stick together, just about maybe 6 feet away. But getting back to the band, Vitamin C is this phenomenal band sent straight from the Apple Watch gods in sport loop band heaven. To the sides, you'll have this bright peachy kind of color that contrasts heavily against the bluish grayish and dark tan interior. The three colors just play off each other so well, and with such unique colors such as these, this band can go great with any casing material and color. It's a really interesting color. I don't think a lot of people are going to pick it up just because of the weird combination of colors, but for me, these are the bands that I'm really into, the very unique colors. So for me, it's a solid band and I absolutely love it. For the next one, we have Sunshine, and that is just a perfect name for this one. You look at it, see the name, and it's as if it's saying, "Hello, Sunshine," and it just wants to make you smile and feel all warm and fuzzy inside. No, just me. So this band works perfectly for these spring months. It's just filled with happy, energetic colors. You have the yellow stripe to the sides with the dual tone blues. You'll have a more tealish blue alongside a very, very light blue, almost 90% white and 10% blue. The color combinations of the dark blue and super light blue just go off each other so well, and the yellow stripe is just the cherry on top. It's one of my new favorite bands without a doubt. It's a very unique band, and that yellow stripe to the sides just makes it all that much more eye-catching. Up next is Surf Blue, and to me, this is one of the most basic bands of this new bunch, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. Many people don't like those flashy bands with those bright colors. This one consists of a nice lighter blue stripe to the sides with a darker navy color complemented by this weird other color. It has grays in there mixed in with purples, mixed in with like brown. It's a really interesting color, but it's there to hold down the simplicity and non-flashiness of the band. If you're into toned down and darker colors, then the Surf Blue Sport Loop is the one for you. I just think it's a little interesting how the Surf Blue Sport Band is just so frenetic and so eye-catching, and this one is just a very toned down version of it. Still a fantastic band. Do I have any Seattle Seahawks fans here? Tell me, are these not the Seahawks colors? Aside from the silver and grays, this band looks just like the colors on my uncle's team's jersey. Apple should consider making these sport loops in NFL or college football colors. Imagine how popular that'd be. Apple, if you ever pick up on this idea, you can send my royalty checks to my address. But anyway, I love this color because of the standout hyper green stripe along the sides. It really creates a stark contrast to the two blue inner colors, one being this dark navy looking almost ultraviolet at times, and the other being a more subtle blue that's easy on the eyes. I'm sure this will be another fan favorite, and I'm sure it will sell out very quickly. And for the last one, we have a mix of some interesting colors. This is neon pink, and it makes for a rather intriguing color combination. First off, we have this neon pink surrounding the outside portion of the band, which heavily accents the band, kind of like the Seahawks band, and the bright pink is more profound in dark lit scenarios. On the inside of the band, you have a much softer pink sand kind of vibe going on, complemented with this coffee mixed with three creamers color. At first, I was a bit uneasy, thought it was going to be my least favorite, but over time, and by over time I mean a few hours, it's grown on me and I really dig it. It's not the worst, but it's not the best either. There are much better bands out there, but one thing is for sure. The color combination is extremely unique, and the tan inserts means the band goes well with just about any casing material or color. And there you have it, folks. Those are all the bands for spring of 2020. The band I'm waiting for impatiently is a gold link bracelet, so I can match it with my gold casing in stainless steel. But what color or style would you like to see, maybe for the 2020 release? I would also love to see the classic leather buckle line revived and renewed with brand new fresh summer colors. As always, guys, I hope these videos are helpful to you to see how the bands look under different lighting conditions and not that picture perfect lighting. As for my giveaway, it's extremely simple. Just subscribe to my channel with bells and comment down below which is your favorite band of the new spring releases, and that's it. The winners are announced in 2 weeks on April 3rd on Twitter and Instagram, and the winners will be chosen randomly. So go ahead and give me a follow so you don't miss your band in the event that you win. As always, guys, I appreciate the tremendous support and have plenty of more videos planned for you guys in the near future. I hope to see you all there. Peace.